I'll be honest, I'm not someone who watches Korean drama. Maybe 2 3 in my entire life. But recently on Netflix, I watched When Life Gives You Tangerines. I have no words. This series is not just story. It's a life journey. There are two ordinary souls, those who are growing together through the extraordinary mess of life. They start off young, fighting, dating, dreaming, and growing together. Their love is not about grand gestures. It's about everyday loyalty, sharing their favorite snacks, comforting glances, and always choosing each other when life gets loud. And then marriage happens. Real life start hitting stronger than strong. Together they face ugly side of the adulthood, like financial struggles, career failures, and family expectations, and the unimaginable pain of losing a child. At times it feels like everything good is slipping away. Yet they hold on to each other imperfectly, stubbornly, and beautifully. And in this movie, there were very small and impactful moments that really touched my heart. Like when he stand up for her, when her own family disrespect her or ill treat her, and the way she quietly sacrifice her dream so he doesn't feel alone, and the way he keep asking her throughout their life, "Are you happy? Are you happy now?" A very simple question, but a lifetime of meaning behind it. I know in the series, the little thing that hurts the most, they are like her silent cries, his helpless eyes, and unspoken some words. They were really deep. And this series also share their midlife struggles, like regrets, illness, and a complicated relationship with their grown-up kids. They were really, really very real. Even when age catches up with them, even when bodies get weaker, memories start fading, their love stays stubborn, soft, silent, like a promise kept till the end. And one of the scene that melted my heart, when she discovers after the demise of her husband that he secretly kept stocks of hairpin because she keeps losing it. She found in a drawer that there are dozens of hairpin he kept before saying goodbye. Even she notices how her husband shift everything from upper slab of the cabinet, kitchen cabinet, to the lower slab, so that she can easily reach and fetch the items. So these small things really invisible to the world, but for her they were everything. This series reminded me real love is in choosing every day, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. This series taught us when life gives you tangerines, what to do with that. So it's been days since I finished watching it, yet still sitting quietly in a corner of my heart forever. And I can't help but wonder why we don't create such soulful, sweet, pure, everyday kind of love story in India too. Maybe someday, but for now, this series has my whole heart. And this is must watch series. Even if you don't like love story, then also you should watch this. Just keep my words and just go and watch this now. Don't forget to subscribe us for such real reviews, and let's find beautiful stories together. Bye bye, see you soon.